I built an AI tool that could be worth thousands in just 24 hours without coding skills, using only Google Sheets and code which ChatGPT wrote for me. But the best part is it's a copy and paste process anyone can follow to build their own AI tool that could be worth thousands of dollars in the next 24 hours. This works even without any technical knowledge or coding skills. I still couldn't write a single line of code, but when I showed my AI tool to a leading AI business expert, she said,
I think this is a great product that can make you a lot of money.
It's all because of my unique copy and paste strategy I will reveal in this video. The biggest myth that keeps most people from building their own AI tool is they think they need to be a programmer or hire one or learn how to code first. What I'm about to show you is perhaps the fastest and easiest way to build a working AI tool. I've not seen anyone talk about this because you only need these three things: a Google account, a ChatGPT account, and an OpenAI account. These things are easy to get and don't require any technical knowledge to set up. You can even get those for free, and I've shared all the links you need to do that below in the description of this video. What if you don't know what AI tool you should build? The best-selling AI tools solve problems for people faster and better, automating tasks and saving them a lot of time. So my idea was to solve a specific problem I faced regularly: sending more frequent emails to my list so they don't forget me and buy my offers. But I often don't know what to write and have no ideas for emails. And even if I get one, it takes me too long to write a single email. Then I had some eureka moment. I already have an infinite source of proven email ideas right under my nose. My overcrowded email inbox. So why not build an AI tool that takes those emails from my inbox and perfectly adjusts them for my topic and writing style to create a unique email that sounds like me. My problem will be solved for good. So that's the tool I built. If you want access to this powerful tool, click the link in the description below this video. Often the best ideas for AI tools are right in front of you. They are the problems you have. Like this one. How often and at which time should I send my emails to get the best results? How about an AI tool that analyzes the sending times from other people and tells me exactly when I should send mine? Once you got the idea for your AI tool, type sheet.new in your browser, which will create a new Google Sheet. And let's prepare the columns we need for this tool I'm building together with you. So I will have a column called email senders. Then I have a column called selected email senders. And then I have the email timing analysis. Let's call it the email timing analyzer. Now let's turn this simple Google Sheet into a highly effective AI tool by using the most powerful thing that you get with a free Google account. It's called Apps Scripts. With it, you can make Google Sheets or any other Google application do anything you want, even if it's not part of its standard functionality. That's how you can extract information from emails and save them in documents. You can automatically attach slides as a PDF to an email and send them. And you can easily connect it to any AI and turn a simple Google Sheet into a really useful and valuable AI tool. Here's my 3-step copy and paste process to build AI tools. Number 1. Tell ChatGPT exactly what you want your tool to do. I want my AI tool to list all email senders in column A of my Google Sheet that have sent me an email in the last 14 days. Then I want my AI tool to analyze the send times of all emails that I copy and paste here into this list. And the analysis should be stored in column C and performed by an AI. And I want to trigger the analysis from an extra custom menu that should appear here. And that's what I paste into ChatGPT. And I've also added an AI connection example where I will teach ChatGPT how to properly connect my choose an AI, which in this case is the OpenAI GPT-4o model, to my Google Sheet. If you want access to this exact prompt, click the link in the description below, and then I will just click and submit the prompt to ChatGPT. Step 2. Copy and paste the code into the app script editor. Once ChatGPT is finished, we can start copy and pasting. I click here on copy code on the first code block. Then I go here on my sheet to extensions and click app script. Then I will just copy the code I've just pasted and click save. Now I will scroll down to the bottom. There's a second block of code. And here, ChatGPT tells me exactly where to put it. I need to go to project settings by clicking on the gear icon, which is this. Then I grab the second block of code. I copy it and I paste it in here and I click save. Now there's one small thing for me to do. An I key. I need to place my own OpenAI API key into this placeholder. This is really easy to get. You just go to platform.openai.com. If you don't have an account, you can set up one for free. And then you can go to your settings, and there under billing, you will need to add $5. OpenAI, the company that provides you with artificial intelligence, charges you a very small amount to use it. You can see even in my sophisticated AI tool, it only costs me a few cents to generate a ready-to-send email. With the $5 credits, I could generate over 250,000 words. That is like 1,000 book pages. For my tool, it means I can generate over 200 emails with just $5. And this is insanely cheap. After you've added your $5 credits, you can go back to your dashboard. Then you go to API keys. You click here on create a new secret key. And then you just click here, create key. Then you copy the key and go back to your app script editor. And there you will see we have a placeholder where you need to put our API key. And then we can set the maximum tokens. This is the maximum output you want. The lower, the shorter my analysis will be. And 100 tokens is around 75 words. So with 400 tokens, I should get around 300 words as an output result of my analysis. We can now save our tool. And we can then go back and reload it. There should appear a new menu, as you see here. It's called Email Analysis. When I click it, the first thing I have to do, I have to authorize my script. This is what you always have to do when you make changes or add new functions. Now I have to click List Email Senders again. It has listed all the email senders that have sent me an email in the last couple of days. And now I can copy and paste the senders I want to have analyzed into this tool. Then I can click here and analyze selected senders. So it analyzed all the emails I've got, the timing, the frequency, and it gives me the patterns. So it tells me 3 emails sent on Friday and at these times. This indicates that the emails are sent in the early morning or afternoons on Fridays. Then 2 emails sent on Thursday, and here the email times. And it also did that for the other email sender. So it shows, and if I want to optimize my analysis, I will just go back to app scripts. Then I could make a few adjustments to the prompt. You find it here. Then I would say, provide the analysis results in 3 bullet points. Then I will click save, go back, and run the analysis again. And now you see, it looks much clearer. Step 3. Check the execution log for errors, and if you get some, copy and paste them back into ChatGPT and tell it to fix them. So if you find an error appearing in your AI tool, you just go back to executions, and there you can find the detailed error log. So in this case, it shows me an error. Then I just grab this, copy it, and paste it back into ChatGPT. And on top of the error, I will write something like this. I ran the function in the log, I got this error, please fix it. Then ChatGPT will tell me what could be wrong. So it tells me, number 1, there could be an error API key. I go back here into my editor, look at the API key, and then I could either go back here, copy it again, and paste it in here, and then save it. And then I could even run the code from here. I click the function I want to run, in this case, analyze selected senders, and then I can run it from here and see if there are still any errors or if the error is resolved. And in this case, the error seems to be fixed. It's really that simple. Tell ChatGPT what you want AI tool to do, copy and paste the code into the app script editor, run the code. If you get an error, copy and paste the error back into ChatGPT and tell it to fix it. You see, just copy and paste. That's how I built my first working AI tool in a day, with a leading AI business expert who runs several paid memberships regarded as,
I think this is a great product that can make you a lot of money.
With this validation, I knew my tool had real potential, and I spent another 2 weeks polishing the tool, adding new features based on feedback, and making it more and more valuable. And finally, I launched it and already got my first sales. If you want to see more videos about how I build these AI tools without needing to know any coding, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos.